Hey, this is Alex, and now you are watching the SAP Getting Started. Do you think learning SAP is hard? I thought the same when I started to work with SAP. But to be honest, learning SAP is not hard if you find the right way to start with it. I had several discussions with my friends and colleagues about SAP, and everybody had similar frustrations to SAP. Let me give you some examples about these discussions. First, let's listen to the conversation with Katie. In my company, somebody installed the SAP GUI on my machine and gave me my user ID and password. I was so curious about SAP, so I figured out how to log into the system. I found the screens very complicated and I didn't know where to click. Until now, nobody has time to show me the basics and I didn't want to make any mistakes, so I just logged out. A friend of mine is a Java programmer and he told me the followings. Alex, I want to learn about programming in SAP. But there are so many places on the internet about SAP and I really don't know where to start my learning. I really don't understand what SAP is. Is it a software product? Or is it a database? These discussions gave me the motivation to create this course. I want to show you the easy way of starting with SAP. In this course, I explain you in detail what SAP is and how is it connected to your work. I will show you the main solutions of SAP and clarify the difference between the SAP ERP as a system and SAP as a company. You will get an insight into the big picture of SAP ERP's architecture and you will understand how development works in SAP. The SAP GUI is currently the most important user interface of SAP. In SAP, you see it on your screen and you work with it every day. After watching this course, you can forget all of your frustrations in the SAP system. If you follow my course, you will understand what an SAP transaction or a report is, and you will be able to run them confidently in the SAP GUI. I will also give you tricks how to work faster with the screens in SAP and how to enter and get information easily. All in all, if you just start with SAP, you are in the right place. If you are new in SAP, I will give you the fundamentals of SAP. Doesn't matter if you want to enter new sales orders, to work faster with the SAP GUI, or if you want to develop a program in SAP. Let's start with the basics. Join me to the first module.